Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and short review of this Bauer angle grinder that I bought at Harbor Freight. I previously had this quarter cable and I was trying to use it, and this part all broke here. It looks like it's plastic. I guess with our Arizona heat and dry climate, plastics get brittle over time. So I didn't want to spend too much money because I'm not a big user, so I thought I'd try this one out. I've seen other reviews. They reviewed it fairly good. So I'll just open this up. It has a handle, nice solid wrench, protective shroud or whatever you call it. Looks like it's a toolless one, which is nice. Of course, the manual. And the actual grinder. Feels nice and hefty. It's pretty big, so if you have small hands, might be an issue. It's a paddle switch. Oh, looks like there's a button on the side. You can lock it on. So it looks to be pretty good quality. I wanted to try to grind a stump, so I did buy this on Amazon. And when I first tried it, after a few minutes, my other one broke. So I'll give that one a try. So I'll just install that thing now. Protective shroud on first. Needs to be adjusted, so I'll need to get a wrench for that. So just adjusted the nut and easily goes on. Tighten it up. So that should work well. Now I can put the disc on. Just like most, it has a button to lock it to tighten. There it is with the little disc. Also notice it's a very long cord, so that's nice. Let me plug this in over here. And see how it works. Now to give it a test outside. Now I'm going to try to grind a little bit of the stump. Safety first, glasses, and some ear protection. So it seems like it has lots of power. It's not bogging down or anything. It looks solid. So I think I'm going to like this. Time will tell. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.